Hi guys, so I look like an absolute tramp because I just came out the shower and I wasn't actually going to show my face in the video because it was just going to be a room tour, but I ended up showing my face, so I thought I may as well just do an intro because you guys saw how I look anyways. But obviously I'm doing a room tour and I'm just dressed. This is not like a cute aesthetic room tour, like this is just your basic kind of ugly room tour. And yeah, I basically explained everything in the video, so yeah, hope you guys enjoy this. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and otherwise I'll just let you get on with watching my room tour. So as you come in, you kind of get this view of my bed. I'm going to go through section by section so you can see the whole of my room. So the first thing, obviously I'll show you the door. So that's just the door. It's very basic and it's got door hooks, that's it. Then you come over to my first wardrobe. It's just a wardrobe that you build, it's not a built-in one, and I've got some stuff up there. Then obviously I've got clothes in there. Nothing exciting, I think I showed you this in my other video. So if you're interested to see more about my closet, which I'm sure you really are, you can check that out, I'll link it for you. It is a massive storm outside, so if there's any loud noises and bangs, it's probably thunder. I picked a great day to film it. And then after the wardrobe, you move over to my little shelving unit, which is literally ram-packed with the most random stuff because I was at uni when I came back. And then I just have this little bit here which has really random things. I've just got stuff from my jewellery, perfume, stuff like that. And then on the back of this, I just kind of stuck some pictures, but I need to update them because they're really old pictures. Then you move over and you have my laptop and stuff on there. I actually normally have like that shelf over there. Like I normally have things put on there, but because I've been having the window open because it's been so hot, I've just put it all on my desk. So yeah, that is my desk. I have some shelving stuff there. Then I have some more shelving stuff there. Then I've got a whole shelving unit there. I've got loads of shelves because as you can see, I'm a bit of a hoarder. I hoard loads of stuff and I need places to put it. Like I don't really want to go through each individual thing I have because I find room tours like that so boring, and like I feel like none of you guys are going to be that interested in anything that I have. If you guys are, just literally comment below and I'll tell you where it's from. I actually do want to change my room around. I'll explain it to you in a second. Then you come around and you've got my bed, which is just a double bed. It's like those, I swear literally everyone has this bed. It's from IKEA. And then I've got pillows, and then look at this bed set. I'm actually obsessed with it. It's like Skinny Dip and John Lewis. They did a collab together, so I got one of their bed sets. There's another one that I really want. It was a bit pricey, I'm not gonna lie, like it was quite pricey, but it's just so cute. I love it so much, and I just love cherubs and roses, like I'm obsessed with it. Then I just got loads of pillows kind of lined up there. I don't think it looks that nice, I don't know how to do it. And then I have my bedside table, which has got a fan because in the UK when it's hot we don't have ACs. It's horrible and I can't live without this now. It's actually Miles's, so sorry Miles, I stole it from you, but yeah. That's a random bag that I haven't unpacked yet because as you can tell, I'm the most organized person in the world. And then yeah, that's basically like, oh by the way, my floorboards are really creaky. But yeah, that's basically my little like bed area. There's loads of wires on the floor as well. We're gonna ignore that. I was not gonna show my face because as you can tell, I've just come out of the shower and I look like an absolute state, but it's so hard doing this tour and not like talking to you, like just showing you my bed instead of my face. So I'm just gonna talk to you, ignore what I'm wearing, like I look like a tramp, and I just want it to be cozy. Like look at the weather outside, I just want it to be comfortable, so that's why I've not dressed up, so sorry about that. Yeah, I basically want to explain. So the part you've just seen is the pretty nice part of my room. Like that is the part where I've got my like shit together. The next part you're gonna see is very ugly. Like I'm not gonna lie to you, this is not like, oh, an aesthetic room tour. Like it's not one of those at all. Like the wall is nice, the wall's kind of aesthetic, but that is the only like aesthetic part of my room. I do have plans, however, to actually make my room more aesthetic. The reason I'm actually doing this tour is actually just because I want to have like this video to look back on for myself. Like it sounds kind of, it might sound a bit weird or a bit dumb, but because I lived in a house before that and I loved my room there, but obviously I didn't do YouTube then, I can never look back and be like, oh, remember when my room was like that? I don't know if you get what I mean, but this is mainly for me that I'm doing it. I have had a couple people ask for like a room tour, but I feel like those people were kind of expecting my room to look really cute, and it's really not that cute. Oh yeah, so this isn't one of those like aesthetic or like Tumblr vibes kind of thing or Pinterest vibes. It's really not. Like I said, I do have plans to make my room a lot nicer. Like I know exactly what I want to do, it's just more money and time to do it. And this lighting is really bad, let me move over. And obviously if you guys know, or you guys are watching my videos, you probably will know that I'm going to uni soon. So it's more of a question if I can get this done before uni, or if it's going to be like a long kind of going project. Like when I come back from uni, I'll do bit by bit, so eventually it will then transform. Does that make any sense? I hope it does. I mean, I probably have just completely ruined your expectations of what you thought this room was going to be. And yeah, I'm really sorry that I look an absolute, like, I don't even know. I just look weird and my outfit is really weird, but luckily you can just see the top half anyway, so it's fine. Let me just continue with the room tour. I just wanted to give you guys a little update, and I'll explain in a second what I wanted my room to look like, or what I was thinking. Yeah, so you have my cute little section over here. Like, it's not the cutest, but you know, it is kind of cute. Then you pan around, you have my lovely view actually of the garden. It's actually quite a nice garden. Can I show you? I'll show you anyways. Yeah, the garden's really pretty. Like, there's loads of trees and stuff. Like, that's basically it. Anyways, yeah, so then after that, after the cute section, you pan over, have a random tripod there because there's literally nowhere I can put it. Like, yes, I do have a wardrobe there, but there's no room. This is not the ugly thing. The ugly thing is that, like, what is that? Like, it's just like a brown ugly box. Like, what is it? I don't know. You're gonna ask me what that is, and I honestly do not have a clue. Like, I'm sorry, I genuinely don't. I have no idea what that is. It was here when we moved out. All I know is that it's it's very, very expensive, because it's not just in my room, it's in all of our rooms. We all have this random thing, but it's just so expensive to remove. Like, to have the whole process done, it would cost so much money, so it's just being left like that, so I just have to live with it. Then I have this wardrobe, which is not the end of the world, but it's not cute. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it really is not cute, but I do have such cool ideas to kind of make this area a lot more nicer. Like I said, it's just money and time to do it all. So yeah, I have another built-in wardrobe here, and then I've got like a little like cubby thing. It's just like a weird thing to store things, which is kind of handy, but I'm 5 foot, so I can't even reach it, so it's not that handy to me. I literally just call this the ugly part of my room because it is not pretty, it is ugly. It's very, very ugly. But anyways, you then move over, which is then my TV, and I love my TV, could not live without it. Like, it's just the nicest thing. And I have, oh no, I haven't cleaned my hairbrush, let me just like move that. But yeah, then I have this, which is like a CD player, which nobody probably uses anymore because we have Netflix and stuff. And me and Marta are watching Game of Thrones because I'd never seen Game of Thrones, and we needed to have like a CD player to watch it because we had it on CDs, and we've now finished it ages ago. I'm not really happy about the ending, but that's a whole nother story. I don't actually need this anymore because they finished watching Game of Thrones, so I want to get rid of this, but there's nowhere in our house to put it. Like, I literally will just have to put it in the bin. I need to get rid of it. I'm lazy, and I'm just lazy. I don't really have an excuse, I'm literally just lazy. I swear there is a name for this drawer, but I just don't know the name of it. And yeah, it's just your basic white girl drawer from IKEA, if I'm being honest with you. You have drawers that, okay, it's really messy, but you have like small ones like that, and then obviously you have your bigger ones like that where you can fit clothes in. Ignore that mess as well, that's just wires and stuff. But then I bought this little thing for uni. Actually, it's like a little like ottoman, but you can sit on it. The reason I bought this for uni is because you can actually open it and store things in it, which I'm actually doing. And yeah, it's crushed velvet and it's in grey. I think it's quite cute. I mainly bought it just because it will be so handy for like storage. And in my new house at uni, I have an ugly chair, like an ugly chair, so this could potentially be my new chair, which is actually so sad because it's like a little £10 ottoman, but oh well. And then we have my mirror. I don't really want to get in it because, like I said, I have a really weird outfit on. Yeah, like I said, I have a really weird outfit on. Like, look at this. What is this outfit? I don't know. It just makes no sense. But anyways, yeah, so I have this mirror. I got this from Dunelm. I don't know the material of it, but it has this cool kind of pattern. It's got like beads going down it, which is quite cool. And yeah, it's just a standing mirror like that. It has like a little stand on the back of it, so you can like move it around. And yeah, I really like it. I've had this mirror for quite a while. Yeah, and then that leads us back to the door, which is where we started with. So that is basically my whole room. When I actually redo my room, that is when I'm gonna put loads of effort into like making it look cool, aesthetic. You know when everyone does those really nice like zooming in pans, and I don't know what these hand gestures are, but I had this kind of talk with my mum, and like I was gonna get new furniture, but then at the end of the day, like after uni I might move out, so it's kind of like, is there much point like getting loads of new furniture when I'm not gonna be here? Do you know what I mean? Anyways, that's a whole different story, but I'll see what's gonna happen because I do have ideas and I know exactly how I would want to make this room really nice. Oh yeah, and then the final thing, can you guys let me know if any of you guys are actually still watching this? Thank you so much, I appreciate it so much, but I actually need some help. So my bed is obviously like kind of against the wall, not kind of, it is against the wall, but like that way. I'm thinking of moving my bed so that the head frame, yeah, so the head frame it's like there and the bed comes out like this way, do you know what I mean? So the head frame is there and then it comes out this way. Then I've got room on that side as well. So it kind of spreads out my room. But then the only problem with that is that obviously all this kind of floor space, not that I really need it, but all this floor space I have now will be kind of taken up. So do you guys think it would look nice, or do you think this is probably the nicest it will be? Because the only reason I really like it this way is so that if I'm ever sitting like or laying this way and I have friends around, we can just sit on this bit and just watch the TV, do you know what I mean? I don't really have that many friends to come around. Like, I don't have a lot of friends who come around all the time, like, and especially because it's lockdown, like, who knows when you'll next have people over properly, do you know what I mean? Let me know what you guys think will look best, because I am so lost, because I'm just the most indecisive person in the world. I just can't make decisions. But let me know what you think. Let me know if you prefer it this way or you think it will look better the other way that I've just described. And yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this room tour, even though it was not aesthetic or pretty. To be honest, I don't even know why you're watching this video, because it's actually just a standard basic ugly room tour. But anyways, I appreciate it. Like, I appreciate it so much that you're watching this, and I have got so much decor themed videos coming up soon, hopefully, because I'm obviously moving to uni, so I need to buy some things for there. I'll have a room tour, a house tour. Like, I've got it all planned out. I've got so many videos coming up, and yeah, I'm excited to do them all, and I hope you guys are excited to see them. But yeah, I hope you guys, oh my god, why do I do this? I literally, whenever I'm talking, go like that and then I look ugly. Right. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.